For more information related to the civil engineering concepts and civil engineering updates, please visit my website civilbasics123.com. Go to type civilbasics123.com in Google so that my website will be open here like this. So which is consisting of all detailed concepts related to the civil engineering topics. So please follow my website civilbasics123.com.
In this video lecture, I will explain you analysis and designing of circular building by using ETABS software. So I was already done my modeling process and I was applied the load cases which are comes under the gravity loading condition system and lateral loading condition system by using ETABS software. So initially I will open the model in ETABS software. Then after that we will do the designing process in CSI detailing version. So this is a circular building model. I was already done the modeling process for the respective structure by using ETABS software. Okay, so but in circular shape it is not possible to do the modeling process in ETABS software directly. Okay, so for doing the circular shape condition system I was taking the StatPro software reference. Okay, initially I was done the modeling process in StatPro software. Then after that I was imported the model from StatPro software to ETABS software. So I was already done how to import the model from StatPro software and ETABS software in my previous video. So you can watch that video for importing process. Okay, so after modeling process completed, after applying the load cases, initially we need to do the analysis process. Okay, so further go to analyze option here. So click on the set load cases to run option here. Click on run now option. So that it will do the analysis process for the respective structure under considerations of the load cases related to the gravity loading condition system and lateral loading condition system. So now we can see this is the deflection diagram under considerations of the dead loading condition system. In order to display the shear force diagram, click on the forces, Pandela forces, select the shear to option, click on apply option so that it will apply the shear force diagram for the building structure. Again click on the moment 3 option, click on apply so that it will display the bending moment diagram under consideration. Okay, so now we have to design the structure after analysis process. So for that initially we need to unlock the model. So click on unlock option. So now we have to add the grid condition system for the different floors. Okay, so for that go to edit option here, select the add edit grid strips option, select the add strips option. So initially I am selecting the story number 6 which is in X direction with strip layer is A. Click on apply option so that it will apply the strip condition system for the X direction condition. In the same process I am applying the strip for the Y direction condition with the strip layer is B. Click on apply option so that it will apply the strip condition system for the Y direction condition. In the same process you can apply the strip condition system for the remaining 5 slabs. So now I was applied the strip condition system for the respected different types of the floors. So after applying the strip condition system we need to analyze the structure. For that again go to analyze option, set load cases to run option, click on run now option. Again it will do the analysis process for the respected building structure with the considerations of the strip. So after applying this after analysis process completed with the help of the strip condition system, we had to do the designing process for the frame sections as well as the shell sections. Okay, now we can see this is the deflection diagram under considerations of the strip conditions. Go to design option, concrete frame design, select view revised preferences. So we have to select the design code is as per IS 456. So again click on OK option, go to design option, concrete frame design. So click on start design check for the respected section so that it will start designing check for the beam sections as well as the column section for the building structure. Then after that we will design the slab section as per IS 456 2000 codal provision. So now it was done with all the process for the respected beam sections. Now we have to design the slab. Go to click on the slab design, view revised preferences, select IS 456 2000 code, click on OK. Again we have to click on the select number of the stories option. Just I am selecting the stories from 1 number to 6 number. Click on OK option. Select this respected option again click on the start design check. Okay, it will start designing check for the respected slab section under considerations of the load cases. Now you can see this is the pressure diagram for the respective structure under considerations of the loads. Now we have to save this option by Ctrl S option. So now we have to close this ETABS software. Now we have to open the CSI detailing 18 version software. So here I am selecting CSI 18 version detailing software. So initially we need to import the model from ETABS software to CSI detailing. For that go to click on the file option, new modeling option, select the model. Just I was selecting the model is C, click on open. So initially the model which is related to the circular building was open in ETABS 18 version software. Then after that it will be directly imported to CSI detailing. Now it was importing the grid section, story section, joint sections and frame section. Then after that it will import the shell sections. Now it was imported with all the models. Click on OK option. So now we have to select some basic parameters which are related to the units and minimum values. So select the detailing units option initially. Just I am selecting as per the metric SI system. So select the length units will be in meter and section thickness will be millimeter and force units will be in kilonewton, and select the rebar weight will be in ton. Okay, so select the slab area will be square meter, cubic meter, concrete. Again click on OK option. So now we have to select the preferences option. So here I am selecting the preferences as per IS 456 2000 code. Click on OK. So select the concrete detailing preferences. Select the beam option. Just rename that to B. Again select the column option, renaming that to W. C W. Click on OK. Again I am selecting rebar rules option. So here we have to enter the minimum values and maximum values. Just I am selecting the minimum value is 50 value and maximum value is 450 for the slab. Again I am selecting the beam section which is related to the 50 value here. Again this is also 50 value here. This is also 50. So here I am entering the value which is related to the 450, 450, 450. So again I am selecting the column section which is related to the 50 value here, and this is the value which is comes under the 450 value here. Click on OK option. Again we have to select the OK option so that it will start designing check for the respective slab section and frame sections and column section under considerations of the various specifications. So now we can see this is the top view for the respective slab section of 6th one. So click on the rebar plan option so that it will load the rebar plan for the elevation of 21 section. So this is the rebar plan for the 21 section elevation. In the same process you can select the rebar plan for the 21 meter section for the top rebar plan so that it will load the top rebar plan. So click on the all rebar plan option so that it will load the all rebars which is in horizontal direction and vertical direction for the section. Okay, so again in the same process we have to select the section A which is of 6. Okay, so which is consisting of the rebar values for the respected section. Again I am selecting the bill of material. This is the bill of material. Directly I am selecting rebar kgv option. Okay, so it will load the rebar kgv for the respected structure under the design considerations. So now we can see this is the rebar view for the respected section under consideration. So here it is showing for the complete circular shape, but in the center of this respective slab section we are taken the open space. Okay, so basically that open space was not assigned for the slab section due to the considerations of the only 4 number of the grids in vertical and horizontal direction. Okay, so again I am selecting beam detailing option, concrete beams option. Just I am selecting framing plan. This is the framing plan for the respective beam. Schedules and drawing. This is the schedules and drawing for the beam. Next I am selecting directly elevation 6th section. Next I am selecting 7B1. So click on elevation section. This is the elevation section for the beam section which is comes under the reinforcement values here like this. Select section A. This is the section A for the respected beam section under consideration. Again I am selecting reinforcement profile. This is the bill of material. Just I am directly selecting rebar kgv. This is the rebar kgv for the beam section. Okay, again in the same process you can select any one of the floor. Just I am selecting 3BC3. So click on the option here like this, reinforcement profile here, and directly select the rebar kgv. This is the rebar kgv for the beam section. Okay, so now in the same process I will show you the column detailing. Select the column detailing. So click on the framing plan option. So this is the framing plan for the respected section. Again schedules and drawing. So this is the schedules and drawing for the column. Again I am selecting elevation section. Just I am selecting simply C1. So click on A. This is the column detailing for the respected section. Directly I am selecting the bill of material. This is the bill of material. Rebar kgv option so that it will load the rebar kgv for the column section under consideration. So this is the final view of the column under consideration. Okay, so this is the complete process of analysis and designing of circular shape structure by using ETABS software. If you have any queries about this respected video, please try to text me your questions in the below comment box. I will try to give the answer for that respected questions. Thank you.